Hello, this is Dr. Jeff, and for the special 700th episode, I thought I'd do some special things. First of all, it's my big 50, yes, 50, and so my amazing wife gave me a gift. So today, later, I'm gonna be giving an unboxing of, yes, it's the iPhone, the newest iPhone, the 16. I'll be unboxing this. I just want to let you know that for all the 700 videos I've already made so far for the E700 YouTube channel, almost all the videos have been made with the phone that I have in my pocket. So I always encourage folks to just start recording with what you got. And here we are on our 700th video. But if I go back to our first video. Welcome to Ed Family, a channel dedicated to helping our students find out what they are good at so that they can do good with it. I remember that time where I was actually looking at some of the vlogs of some of my students who had shared about some of their educational leadership experiences in my Ed Leadership class at Cal State Fullerton. And when I heard their stories, I remember being so inspired by them. And I thought maybe I will also create vlogs. And so there began the Ed Family YouTube channel many years ago, or actually not even that many years ago, but it began maybe about 4 or 5 years ago with that first video, and here we are on number 700. I've always thought if you just do like about one video a week, that's gonna be about 52 videos in a year, and before you know it, you're gonna have a whole catalog of resources that could be beneficial for others. And for me, I'm so thankful to be able to tell the story with you all on the Ed Family YouTube channel, helping students to find out what they're good at so that they can do good with it. So once again, boom, 700th video, 50th, my 50th, and then also now at 500 subscribers as well. And so those are the 3 big wins. And so to celebrate that, I'm gonna open my birthday present, and it is the iPhone 16. So just really, once again, very solid case. I don't even know what color it is. This was a huge surprise. Didn't ask my wife for this, but she got it. And once again, my previous iPhone was working great. So that might go to one of my children, or we'll see what happens. But anyways, this is the new one. I'm gonna go ahead and you notice that there's this tab in the back, right? Sealed. I'm gonna go ahead and open that. Okay, and then as I open it, now the case should open. Okay, so case is opening. Okay, I'm gonna open it up very carefully. You can see the iPhone 16 is inside here. I'm gonna go ahead and be very careful. And you can see already here, the iPhone 16 is feeling actually a little bit more slender than the iPhone that I had previously. Could be because maybe the case isn't on it just yet. I'm removing the film. And so now what you see is a very clear face. The backside, you see the camera, it's kind of I don't know, is this black? I think it might be black, a black iPhone 16. Haven't started it, haven't tried it out, just opening up brand new right now. But perhaps the next video will be with this new gift that I received. Thank you very much to my wife for my big 50. It's a very special present, and one that I hope will not only benefit me, but benefit others as well.